What is luxury? It is a great mindset which comes from unique style, comfort, and standards. Luxury comes with great minds. We are India's largest hardware products manufacturers. Flybird, house of luxurious furniture fittings. Flybird is a well-known brand. The company is spread across 48,000 square feet areas with a current capacity of 100 plus machinery and capacity of 5 lakhs plus pieces production per month. Active in more than 11 countries. Flybird Manufacturer is an innovative company established in the year 2012 in Rajkot, Gujarat, India. The Flybird brand is famous in India as well as in international markets, with an expertise in hardware fitting products such as profile handle, pull handle, cabinet and wardrobe handle, khoti, sofa leg, knob, conceal handle, lock body and cylinder, brass mortise handle, aluminium shutter sliding profile and bathroom accessories. All our products we are designing according to customer's choice. The Flybird provides one roof solution from design to dispatch. Flybird standards committed to durability and quality, utilizing advanced technologies and going through process like cutting, VMC machining, buffing, blasting, anodizing, electroplating, PVD coating, lacquering, spray coating, laser marking and packing. We are manufacturing various design of aluminium profiles with more than 15 finishes to offer. We also test the quality before introducing them into the market. Our pride lies in our state-of-the-art processes and our dedicated human resources, guaranteeing top-notch product quality. This whole process done by our qualified and dedicated human resources with a great teamwork in the leadership of our owner, who make sure to full guarantee for quality of our products, fulfill the customer's demand with great agility. To uphold the dedication to longevity and excellence with its portable coating thickness tester and salt spray testing capabilities, Flybird ensures complete confidence regarding the product's quality. Our company has the most dynamic art production capacity, which has set the benchmark of world-class hardware products, and we have also stood true in terms of customer satisfaction. We are maintaining all our machineries in a way that each of our hardware fitting products can be manufactured with excellent quality and great productivity. We are a creative manufacturer with expertise in hardware fitting products for over a generation, creating stylish and quality hardware fitting products. We are the leader in the production of aluminium handle and furniture fitting. There is a different world of Flybird hardware, where every effort is made to fulfill every need of the customers. The company is ISO 9001-2015 certified company. Our vision is to become the industry leader in luxurious furniture fittings and build a well-known brand in the world. Our mission is to understand customers' needs, design, manufacture and supply world-class products while maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction through ongoing improvements to our quality management system. Join us at Flybird, the house of luxurious furniture fittings, where every piece tells a story and every detail is a masterpiece of luxury. We are Flybird, house of luxurious furniture fittings. Visit us at www.flybirdindia.com.